There was WTF in the chat. Have you been on stream before?
I haven't actually. This is my first time.
Do you do lives on your channel?
I've done like 3, and then people are like, "Are you real?" Because people started commenting, "Are you real? Are you a real person?" And I was like, let me just show face."
Janba, you're a real person because you're doing videos.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, you guys used to catfishes, Okanye. But yeah, they're like, "Can you back your chat?" Okanye, now you're also rehearsing for like a minute and then post those videos. So now I'm going to
like, Jan, you're real.
Go for a phone.
Bah.
Live.
I've never seen your lives.
Really? I just chill there, and then they're like, "Oh, what kind of books can I read?" I'm like, guys,
but what kind of books can I read? I'm trying to get into into English,
into philosophy, ne?
academy. I don't know.
Yeah, I see. You could start with a math textbook. There's one I can recommend. I'll send it to you.
Math?
Yeah.
Like today math?
Yeah. It's like basic arithmetic.
So what?
That's math. Yeah, it's basic math.
Math you have the English.
Can I tell you something?
Like
that's what I'm saying.
And funny.
Yeah. When you know like the basics of pattern recognition, so with words that you spot, you'll be able to make sense of it in a sentence. So you start with math, and then from that and then you build up with the language.
Nah. Okay, Jeff, tell finally way, and I'm going to be full. So I'm gonna try.
No, I believe in you.
Ungahleki. Abantu abakhumshayo wahadesela na.
Yeah, digging like English. So konyanzeleka ukuba ube dizzy.
Kuta basic atom yo. Right.
Uyibhude ngofundi incwadi yakho.
But andikwazi uyivula manje lento mna Jeff.
Ingathi isavana nje. Ugqibile isavana ivula njani?
Zana sela savana seli video. Yaba nomjito onjani? One of those guys about chilled.
Ne, abaseli bjala.
Introverts.
Ayikho lo.
Bon.
There's no such.
Serious. Have you seen me outside?
You literally chased down Musa Kawula.
P?
I saw that video of yours. You were like,
I know what happened, man.
What happened?
So Musa Kawula, because I'm from Freedomburg. Yeah, Freedomburg.
Yes, I do.
I've
never been. I know of it.
Yes, in
Geography.
EP Freedomburg.
It's a thing.
EP hello.
It's Musa Kawula 10.
So Musa Kawula. Okay, I'm not gonna say about your team in Freedomburg, but I so he had some shit going on in Freedomburg. So then create this. There be sub in the chat.
MBE_RGN has gifted 2 subs to viewers.
So Musa Kawula. So create text in one from here, Cape Town station. So I was like, okay, Musa Kawula. So I take a young video and post on my WhatsApp. And then my friends were like, yo, Musa Kawula no. So I've been saying that thing, but I'm doing a team Musa Kawula. And then, so clear because we're from and I just recorded him. That's a voice over after.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't believe that. Can't we love Victor actually.
He voice over and I'm recorded the whole time. What the hell, chick? And then I went home.
But he looked back.
And then I went home. Listen, I went home and then I did a voice over.
You're lying. Yes, Bonya Kumsha.
Okay.
Progress. Siyavumisa.
If the way uzomopisha. Serious.
I got bed in so there's no need.
Kalongdi.
That was lovely. That was bine ora.
So I'm going to Chat.
I told you to do it.
Shout out to me. But yeah, he voice over there, I swear. And the other don't take this on. Yeah, Tura not Tura land.
It's not. It really wasn't. Thank you.
I'm out. But yeah, voice Lando, I'm there. voice over.
Woman,
And if
no,
you do dala leya man, dala ngayo. Otherwise, guys, hi all. I'm trying to spell Jeff Bezos in the building. Cult leader. Why should you cult leader? Because you know by cults are wrong.
by design.
Also, a comment like sometimes I do good things for people. Webo.
Thank you for paying my school fees. What a good man. What a wonderful man. An exuberant man.
Exuberant. Yeah, sometimes about the charity, I do a lot of charity work. I pay for his school fees a band.
I think naibona kushembele ndio cult actually. The company order like that.
Ah.
Amazulu xa ubona ushembe ngepetsu lapha. Yaphithizela wonke umuntu ufuna uba phansi. They all want about him. I said, I want to do that. Yes. Kuthiwa into kanini?
Nah, I don't think it's appeal shame. I feel like calling him though.
Obviously there's someone that took over him. But lo shembe khoyo ngoku ngimthandile.
When's he know?
Une aura. He just has a cult. He has a cult of people that are just worshipping him. Do you understand how insane that is?
So what team man?
So ndaqomba nami ngasoze. Khanza ngibetha abaninci khona slow.
You feel like come to English about more.
No. I think what attracted people there is if you're audacious enough to say, but I want to start a cult. Because no one outright says, but I want to start a cult. They just start cults.
If you are audacious enough.
Audacious.
Audacious, yeah.
But no audacity.
So you condemn and all like cult yakho.
Jan.
What's the handle how like ushembe kuyakhoza and people get mhlawumbi
bayakhonza nabo nge-English.
Funyana no kuwe xa khonza.
But eventually they're going to start paying money.
Yeah.
Asazi kaloku. Ayibo, cults run on money. I was thinking of starting a church. Like an actual establishment, girl. Getting a building. You know what's going to be in the aircon? Weed, so that people are high. There's beat points. So we're not brand ambassadors of that, okay? When they
I would say weed, most.
You know why? So that people, when they come in, they're automatically high. So it doesn't matter what I preach to them, they'll accept.
So in church, you're not even into church, Joanna.
I'm not into church, but I'll start my own church. Bushiri is not like close to being a mega millionaire. Why? Because of church. And bang. Yeah, I'm trying to be politically correct.
And yeah.
And
it's on chair from because now I believe in Pushir. I feel like there are people about now probably gonna millions and then bapumbe.
Millions.
Yeah.
How is that possible?
How is it not possible?
So now this is London.
I know. Like
God, are you coming here with your tiny ears? You're leaving with medium to large ears. That's happening.
Example.
But like it's an impossible example. But you're gonna believe that.
So impossible, but in Nagun is only grand, and then somehow Ninyatili we Mlenza Madum, and then I go to Pushir, where I fix.
So
when I have a quote to Zoya, like but that's one Martin.
Katalo apa. They're gonna stay at my temples, game. That's all they're gonna do. But also, like, bear in mind, they're going to be high.
Hotel chai.
Not in Nagalogo. I enter the podium now with the face mask. No, why does Jeff have a face mask on? Why? Because I'm the special one, the chosen one. You shouldn't see my face. You should pay to see my face, if anything. So,
but to be honest, I believe like culture, because I feel like since it's this close, like we could join in.
Nah.
But it's just that, and I understand, but
it doesn't. You don't have to understand. That's the beauty of it.
And yeah, back to the hand. All the videos are there, and they are back to the hand.
Nah, but they worship him nonetheless.
Okay, hey, Penny, cult, what is it?
Hey, Pina. Scientology.
Yes, I know.
Cult again.
Why are you into e-cults like you young? Nah, but you are the rents. You young. You young when you into e-cults. Why?
You don't think I'm into those things?
No, you're not.
No, there's a balance in life.
Okay, tell me
There's
more.
a balance. See, the thing is when you've made like this lifestyle 80% of your life, and then 10% you say into 10%.
Nah, I see. It's not like 10%. It's in 100%.
Not possible.
It is.
Well, technically,
yes. Are you going to design also see?
But so if you say Hennessy.
And if you say Hennessy.
Soze?
Hayi.
Phofu bukhalazela le.
Uyadura lena.
So vusa nonene.
Andivusi like utywala
Akhathalo apha. Liqolo wena. So you're telling me you're not spending more than 2,000 rand on a night out?
I don't have a night out in Ngxaki.
Oh, I see. You're constantly out, so...
Okay, you're telling me every time not minute 2,000 you spend there. When do you spend that much, man?
I'm not saying I spend that much, okay? But you should be having that much. For security.
Okay.
Inkosi njani?
Nah, andiyongozi landuke 2,000 as you spend on gym na.
So inkosi njani?
Okay, wait. Friday yaqala weekend. Friday bene 2k, Saturday 2k, Sunday 2k.
Njani?
6,000 rand.
Sisindu nes.
WSUP.
Alin J has gifted 1 subs to viewers.
Waste. I cannot waste.
So
But why did you become Jeff?
It was in high school, man. Like, I think Nandinala or. So then, I think at the time also Jeff Bezos was one of the richest, was the richest man in the world. So I was like, why not? Like, really, I think it has incredible aura. And then that name stuck. And I was like, yeah.
So it's been Jeff J, man.
Yeah, J, completely.
So Jeff Bathandi London, Minister Lawyer.
Bezonditata. It's a spin-off of his name, Jeff Bezos. It's a pun.
They understand.
Diglahlile?
Unlahlile. Jeff bazondithatha.
Bezothatha mna.
Andiyazi why ngavile. I wanted to get into your videos. Nje ukusixelela because I feel like these videos zakho is freestyle. Check can't sense reaction don't know niyavela apha lalo because vela blank apha kum. What does Jeff stand for?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey?
Yeah.
Ayiveli ne? I don't know why ngaveli. Because benifuna what the fuck? Can you refresh?
Do you want me to explain some of the videos?
Yeah, because I feel like especially there. Now Jeff Bezos uyakhumsha. Hey bana ninye ukhumshe kuyo na. Ingoma le. Khona manje lena nikhomende kuyo.
That one.
I was hoping to not address this at all, actually. I thought it to be quite straightforward, and I started this off that the jargon and the verbosity was in part what polarized people towards this Jeff cult.
Ngiyaqoka bamntana ngini wena. Ngiyaqoka. And serious nje. Uyaqoka.
What kind of humor are you looking for in a cult that is philosophically and mathematically inclined? You're not going to find straightforward jokes here. We're mobilizing people to use their brains, right? To use their brains and to have the layered comments that you guys are seeing. Yes, that's what this cult is about, right? I serve as an ideal. You think?
No, I'm serious, guys. I was dead serious, bro.
Esquema.
So
Okay.
this is gamer.
Okay, but uthini?
So I was busy explaining from the previous video, but this cult is about these unnecessary big English words. Do you know why, Nim? I feel like it's so misunderstood. I think my cult is a mimic. It mimics society. It copies a lot of what these politicians and these leaders do. We don't understand a lot of the policies, right, that they present us like, because it has legal jargon. Yeah, but so.
Hey, fraud, lo.
You want him le fraudy? Or better than Katali, and
But okay, explain it then. So, about what I'm thinking now.
So I think it mimics a lot of these leaders that we've devoted ourselves to, right? We don't understand half of what they say. We don't understand the manifestos that they put out there. We don't understand the policies, nor the laws. No, not me. I'm just saying in general. We, or the royal we. We don't understand it. Yeah, but so I'm mimicking a lot of that. So the people that are frustrated with me in the comment section, you're misdirecting your anger. Because I'm copying a lot of what these leaders are doing to us.
True. Yeah, that's true, Chad. Cause one, yeah. But don't look like in English le andiyiva nyani.
By design, it's meant to be like that. Yeah, but it's meant to be like that. Bakhona
So the recruiter njani abantu abanjengami, let's say Mjita uzipholele usuke eKasi akazi into English.
You're gonna Google it. Bakhona
Sure, ben-googlishe ngoku.
Get ready with me.
Ben-googlishe
Malevolent.
to upper having or showing desire to cause harm to others.
Exactly.
Xa bethini?
Because there were people in that specific video, there were people that were like, nah, you should be, R-worded, or you should be harmed. So I was like, Aibo, why are you wishing malevolence on a person you barely know? Because of English. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, it does not make sense.
Damn. So even if you're not Googlish everywhere.
Every single word.
Googlish.
Bakono, what are content creators out there that don't make you think? Bakono, I don't want to name drop now, but there are content creators out there that don't make you think.
Andifuna ucinga mna nje ingase ningacingi.
Sucinga, like scroll and then you'll find those people. You'll fully find them. Bakhona balachisayo.
E.g.
I don't know. Not you though.
Ilachisa.
Aye, thank you.
Sana kulachisa.
Aye.
Singakhangela i-comment yakho eyi-1 ngoba sayibona.
Rightfully so. Masikhangele nyani, masikhangele. But yeah, no, again, my cult is meant to make people uncomfortable.
Nah, but they join us soon. Cause yabo,
What's missing?
Nah, part of my 2026 resolutions yabo. Ngase ndenza into entsha. And I feel like English is the way. Cause yabo ichant yami ngithi andikuva yabo. So 2026 I'm starting.
Sekuqula le cult.
Okay,
Kosindo.
Now so on this last when would you like isinto usithanda ngayo kwenza ntoni?
Hayi isinto ndiyasiva ne, but animdanga kuso.
Ungwapi?
Ngase Alice.
Qhubeni ngiyaLize.
Yo, years ninjas, years.
Usoduku yintoni cause uthanda usoduku wena?
Fully.
What is it?
It's a math game. This is why I wanted to give you that math textbook. Oh, dear peg.
She's cooking. So kwenza lo usoduku?
Vertically, horizontally, you just need to rearrange numbers from 1 to 9. And in a box as well.
Ebo apa kulipite wes
Scaloni will be fated, Messi will be...
Colonial singena.
Scaloni will be fated, Messi will be sainted, I repeat, as they
The
drag me off to the nearest
Argentinian
asylum,
coach.
which...
Kubanka mwana colonial.
No, Scaloni.
Come.
Scaloni will be fated, Messi will be sainted, I repeat, as they drag me
be
off to the
fated.
nearest asylum,
I
which
was
from a
quoting
geographical
Peter
stand...
Drury from a football match. The FIFA final 2022.
ChatGPT wena.
The lost.
The lost now. Cause you know this is.
I'm so bomb.
Now, okay, like as much as about the shake, but I wanna learn something from you, Namsan.
Okay.
So please, let's be serious, you guys.
Okay.
Cause born is colonial.
Scaloni. Lionel Scaloni.
Yeah.
Point will be Vescopies, right? This will all happen at the ripe young age of 70 years old. And while my flesh
Young 8-7.
Very young.
will be
Not sure I'm not 7.
Very young. Tingachola nayo.
That's what's up.
corrugated,
Young.
Yeah.
my soul will remain anchored by my youth. This will also be when I retire as a social anthropologist, a self-proclaimed social anthropologist, a social commentator, a pseudonym symbol, a Sudoku enthusiast, as well as a sacred scholar of culture.
Not. Oh my word. What?
If ungahlala nawe for 24 hours, ungathela kanje?
Soze. Ndiyadinwa nayo. Ayadinwa namathambo engqondo bethu nana ayibo.
Like who are your friends? The consent.
Do you think I don't have friends?
Like who are your friends? Ngola ndo lesho mza. Kwenze ngando friendship yakho.
And Pete.
Nah, like ngabantu aba clever nje
No,
ngawe.
like well, they are relatively clever as well. So we talk about all sorts of things.
You think I feel like a friendship?
My feet are perfect.
Okay. Ngizwelele.
You'd fit perfectly.
Like ngayi ndomsebenzi wami.
Because you're so you'd make us laugh.
Oh, ndiyalakhisa.
But no, ayabanda le ncoko. So besithetha thina about like palindromes, you know, what palindromes we find interesting. You'd be like, ndimpitile. Then you'd make us laugh.
Oh, mna ndisoloko beat.
Ewe. Yes, beat that.
I wouldn't want to be your friend.
Why?
Like when I don't on your free time besides English.
Nakhathalwa apha.
When I don't, yeah.
Nah.
I feel
That's
like
interesting though. That's fascinating, guys. That's fascinating.
Tell me maths without amagama. I feel like
Maths, words, physics, put me in. Sub me in, coach.
You swim with physics.
Can't eat you.
But
Ndiyazamela.
Maths.
Ndiyalwa.
Shout out to Jeff, bro. Shout out to Jeff. Uyakhumshana la?
No, play that video actually.
Good evening. This is a banger that went double platinum in my house.
No.
Awukhumshi
Ayikhumshisi.
Yeah, andikathi here bro mna. Ngiyokwenza here bro.
Also, I play bowler, if that helps. And I used to play.
Why are you Arsenal na?
Yes.
Ndiyekile uba kanti ndiyi-Manchester but
No, you were Tottenham. There's that Tottenham t-shirt you have.
Abolethile iphela yami leyo yami.
So you're just ripping J, like any club
Inswim.
merch, ne? That's why I also have the Chelsea t-shirt, by the way.
Gee, yabo.
J.
So if I were to
It was
choose
just
the team,
fashion. It was just fashion.
I'm trying to find a team been 2 years now. The team.
Join Arsenal.
Why?
Why? Because we're going to take the league this year.
For the
Finally.
past 3 years, ever since kungenela mjida, alikayithathi league.
I know. I know.
Anizothatha league. And also kusenza ndongo ise abantu baseTexini bayocula nabantu baseTexini.
Mabepetula bangapha. So I was
Yabo
like,
like ndiyakufollowisha ne. Defend man yakho.
so they were singing and I was like, hey man, why not just join them?
I feel like awubaza abantu.
Nah.
Ngavela ujoin abantu nje.
Yeah, randomly. Like, people like a good time. People really like a good time.
That's a cool.
And also, I'm not shy, so.
But bushaya ngokufika.
Aye, super.
Yebo.
Aye.
Abo bushaya ngokufika. Khona mani video endifunayo apha yakho.
What is it about?
I can't find that video man.
Kalogo, what is it about?
English obvious.
Sure.
Hey yo, what's good? I go by the name of Inkosiyamandebele. So I'm here to explain to you guys why trading with pocket broker is fine. Number one, there are tournaments and competitions. Join regular trading tournaments where you compete with others for prizes and leaderboard rankings. How it works? Users take part in paid or free tournaments where the goal is to achieve the best trading results within a limited time. And number two, it's gamification features, badges, levels, quests that motivate rather than just stare at charts. You earn through tradings, achievement, participation in mining and lotteries. And number three is platform customization, where you personalize your trading workspace, you rearrange your charts, set favorite indicators, and choose themes so it feels like a dashboard, not a default screen. And number four is community and social interaction. You learn and chat with the high earners, engage with a broader community of traders, share ideas, celebrate wins, discuss strategies, and cheer each other on. You can also make it fun by set mini goals and challenges, turn sessions into missions. For example, find 3 setups that follow trend, try 1 new indicator, and gamify your routine. And please note, all these features make trading more engaging, but markets carry risk and earn guaranteed profit. Use tools responsibly and pace yourself. And please don't forget to use my promo code Inkosi 10.
And they're saying you should do an IQ test on me.
I think uzayipass. I think uzayipass. IQ yakho high ne?
No.
Ingxaki yabo sometimes I'm host the
And you're like, no, let's do an IQ test. Kabizo I find it doch. Means IQ test. Quite brilliant. I find he's quite brilliant.
Now clever. Oh,
So brilliant.
Why say Landuke? Hey, you no. What's this?
Jordan Tamtura lower set out. Who's there? I saw like your video who's Gilaman, you made her like do an IQ test. She was like, why?
Do you like her?
I do, I really like her. I think she's hilarious, she's funny.
Yes, last week.
IQ test, what for? Last week?
Last week I posted this today. I know like 5 videos out.
You're lying. 5 videos is crazy.
That's called Zugila, man. Cause you're pickies. Let's hope also you call.
I hope so.
Yeah, ring. Why pickies? Like she likes you, yan. Zole ngombunyak. Wow. Awuhlali endlini Zugila man.
To be the quiet place.
Yeah, piggies.
Hello.
Yeah, piggies. Babu posted videos. I can 5 last week.
Lamtu joga TikTok. Oh my word.
Even I was like, oh my god, did you man? I just found the coolest girl like on TikTok. And then him said the videos up. I think he posted on that's post as I saw Papa WhatsApp. Oh my gosh. Mamela ndayo research about the basti kamalako usine selani or something. I said it was the comment for Mr. Push-up.
No, I saw that. I was like, Zuki, oh my word. So hilarious.
I was like,
Yeah.
Shuma.
Now, Utina, she likes you, Mark.
Love her down.
yo,
Love her down. Love her
No,
down.
from me, guys.
You aura means Muslim. She's so good.
Sihlelele, chomi yami le entsha.
You told me I could do.
Abonjani bayo chomi yami? Hayibo, ichomi yami.
Nice. But she's very cool,
Yeah, she is. Shout out to Jeff Bezos.
I don't think I've met a cooler person. That's why people like WhatsApp, but I think I've met the coolest girl. Like,
I think I can hear in English.
then like, corner man, the end, corner any TikTok man. It's not the cow you smile by the man. There's another.
Lungisi ndaba yakho no Jeff.
Yeah. Okay. That's why I'm that. Oh my gosh, you're so cool.
No pretty.
So, ungathi ba official ujoinile cult yakhe? Ungathi ba official like ujoinile cult yakhe?
Yo, Andy, trainile tell me the culture.
Jeffian. Uchaya insango kepha kwi-cult.
No, it's fine. You join it down the culture. Down.
Hayi ne, shout out. Uphi? Khawuzama indlela zoyolala ntombazana. Moja, bye bye. Yabo.
And I didn't trust you at all. Your Zuki is nice and lit. I phone.
You didn't trust me and all.
No, I didn't trust that she posted that.
Yeah, like 5 videos.
I'm just saying life science. No, I had to, ne. Cause she went pana. She was very rude, man. And I thought, you know what? I'm not gonna let her step over me, right? But we're gonna do it in a very smart way, in a very educated way that's going to that's going to intimidate her.
Let me
Oh
help
my
you.
days. Shit.
Too clumsy.
Very.
Damn, girl.
In a way that's going to intimidate her. So And that worked because she deactivated her account.
So ne beef so fika.
But the thing is, I also texted her, thank you, in the inbox, and I told her, bah, you know what? You took down your video. That's okay. We can put an end to this thing because I don't want to get it to where it is. And then she was like, no, we can take it band for band. And I was like, okay, we'll take it band for band. We can take it there. And Moiki. Unfortunately. But she is the princess of the Xhosa tribe, so.
Like Nyan?
No, really. And she's the spokesperson of the royal house. So when she said, "Ma, drop your address," and I dropped my address, I was like, I gave her my address because I was like, let's see. Are you gonna nuke me again with the Israels? Please.
So now that we le pekuzo each.
Because it was 5 seconds. Why would I?
But yeah, the beef singayithethi ba kathini.
We're not here to endorse the beef, Vietnam.
And it's indoors. Okay. Uzola ngayiphi date?
July 6th. No, put the year there. Not put in the year.
Ngixolele yakho.
Hayi le Inkosi lena.
Jeff, I feel like uzozazi man is way.
Let's not do the IQ.
No. Oh, feeling ngathi awuzoyazi. Now we're gonna do like 3 questions about out of 20.
Okay.
3.
I see.
It's like a procedure yalapha. Ilula.
Snake.
Eh?
Snake.
Which one out there? Ngaka ngikwanophikisa because ndiyazi now.
You know why, ne? A dog has a tail, a mouse has a tail, a lion has a tail, and an elephant has a tail. Does the snake have a tail? No, it's its entire body.
Shout out to my nigga Jam. Yeah, it's the lowest one.
Ne? Reckon 26.
Chikanjalo?
26. Go down. We're guessing.
Can you explain?
Guys. We're guessing. Go.
Okay, yes.
We're guessing. Go. Yeah.
Nah, but can you explain it there? Like, for no years.
Now we're guessing.
Yeah, go, Chef.
We're guessing.
Chef Clem, Manuel.
Which one of the 5 choices makes the best comparison? Oh, that's the palindrome I was talking to you about. Palindrome is when you can like spell the word and then spell it back again. So that's peach and look at it from the backwards.
Yeah.
So that's 1 5. That's 1 5 2 6 4. That's the last one.
You know, palindrome.
Palindrome.
If ungahlala nawe kakhulu, I feel like ngawoke.
You said we can do 3.
4, 5, bro.
Nah, I'm tired.
I 4 and then you come here.
Mary, who's 16 years old, is 4 times as old as her brother. How old will Mary be when she's twice as old as her brother? See, now that's a riddle. I don't feel like thinking.
Ilula, ne?
Yeah, that's a riddle.
Yeah, but I feel like the IQ, I'm disrespect Jeff.
The thing is, ne, like...
Talk to them.
Let me explain. I've been to psychometric tests. Yeah. So similar phased questions like these pop up all the time. So you get used to doing that. Yeah,
and I'm bored.
No, not boring. Let me not let that.
Ngazilula kakhulu.
No, not lula kakhulu. Ziyazama shem ziyazilwela.
But if you like disrespected kabuzo ezinje. Yabona mina le, I don't want to lie to you. I wouldn't know it.
You know,
I'm not even joking.
You start in the first sentence. I think what's the difficult part is the English of it all. So it says here, is 4 times as old as her brother. So you're gonna think it's times 4.
Can't know.
But it's as.
Yeah.
And as means equal, like 4 times is equal to a brother.
Jeff ufuna like high school.
That's only clearly. I'm not endorsing that high school,
but the high school is grand.
Yeah, it was a girls' school in Stellenbosch. There's only one girls' school in Stellenbosch.
Like me, siyahleba ke ngo like icheta izoyiva le. Original.
No.
Like
poor.
Well awful.
Oh my word! Someone wrote it in the chat.
Yeah. Like, was it too expensive or what?
It wasn't expensive. Okay, like guess the price. Just the school fees, because I was also boarding.
Wow. Monthly kanje yearly.
No, yearly.
Like 150.
I'm not gonna respond to that. But it's close. It's close.
Damn. Nah, I feel like we reached. That's why bufuna verb. Which have been telling a verb.
Brute.
And
I
then
thought that was standard procedure, gun.
and the search a verb. As you know what I did, I said here. Hello, unpelelo verb.
Right there at the bottom.
Yeah, nance.
Right there at the bottom.
Nance.
What do I hear? Clicks.
Ndangena ke verb. Yabo. I'm just like, okay, mhlawumbe ngicingile ayazi imeko yami. Ayiyo le what wasn't this one. Benifumene phina. Okay, but nance. One seat 850.
But
But you serious?
I was serious.
I do not have 850, but you are telling did you eat a chair for 850? I said Belile.
I thought we were gonna have it together, Galuko.
Even if we are having it together, but I've never heard the way you know. And they understand about why is it 850?
It's the brand, it's the name. It's like asking why Cape Town charges this much for rent.
Because it's Cape Town.
Yeah, because it's a coastal area.
So they're fun as it too.
Yeah. No, it's not the same. Shena amagama kaloku.
But it tastes.
Yeah, it's more or less the same.
You Jeff, I don't have this kind of money. My sister.
Asinayo sonke siyazama.
850. So would you say ba sister natsabos? I'll compromise.
Sure. No, I can't compromise. Like we can go for
Done?
Moe, inshallah.
Yeah, to
Sure. Check it out.
So I'm gonna took something nothing is we.
M-O.
Cowbell.
No, right there. M-O.
M-O-E-T.
Right there.
There?
Yeah. It's the same thing.
There?
Yeah.
Damn it, man.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, damn it, 3.5. Do you know Yala Bet is a machine that doesn't even cost this much?
How much does it cost in total?
Yala Bet is like 400.
But the Kabela am dinging a song. Like that 3.6 if it was my last one and I didn't have any bread. I'd buy it.
Go on.
What tell and that?
Dalandalala nam.
I
understand like going good. But I wouldn't buy way 3.6 in heavy body in Malia.
with my own.
I waste that Jeff. It kind of gani.
You listen ba?
But let's say you meet a band.
I sell it roasty. Is that wine?
If for street would you come some be
Beans I sell.
okay, let's say lose the about stream and then I have 4 street.
Sure, we would have it. We would have it.
Go for no
Classist.
like as we've supposed by at least that figure up for something.
What did it Khalil?
I was 3.6 there.
Yeah, but you didn't want to, Jay. Would have had like Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnays. That's wine.
Nah, it's like ish.
The old back in a bunny.
But one name Jeff one thing.
Old back. The old back. Club Soweto. This even
But you drink like is it nobody don't I say.
Nobody don't.
As long as you
I'm
have
not
a good
classist.
time.
Yeah. I bought Gumla.
You come let you have a special called mix in
I saw
there.
it.
What's this? Serious pal, we mix in there.
Yamsela mambo. Akone ngaiselive nan. Akone ngaiseli yaselega. Bayaselega. Black label. You.
I'm on stream, bro.
Also, did you know I can sing?
Sing.
Yeah. So I want to be featured on your own.
It's called English.
Akone ngaiseli.
Audition.
So is this like a talent show?
So look now, you can talent show, yeah.
Well, he has writer's block. Okay, so what song are we gonna do? I hear. Wait.
Ed Sheeran, perfect. Hayibo,
I'm
that's a
sure
nice song.
we're taller in other dimensions. You say we're smaller and not worth the mention. You're tired of moving, your body's aching. Ooh. That's all I can do for you guys.
Damn.
I hope that was enough.
I can feel it in my soul.
In your spirit, ne?
It's in. I translate.
Wait. Frank Ocean.
Do I have
I've
him
been
back?
thinking about you. There, Channel Orange. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far ahead? I'm so nervous. But I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. I'm so nervous, guys.
Can you get
Oh.
2 lines of them? But then
Oh,
so I'm trying to about the notice.
It's in there. How does it go?
I'm thinking about. Yeah. It's in.
Wait. Let's check.
Chef Nanda has game of Golam. Do you know about him sing?
When?
Yeah, get rap just like singing, you know. Yeah, each other has. Me, I'm a man of many talents.
Oh yeah. A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess you made. It
usually doesn't rain in
Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you.
English.
Oh na na na, thinking about you. Oh na na na, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you?
Think far ahead, cause I've been thinking about forever.
No, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, sidlala Mr. Visual okay. La ngoma ka Babes uMachangura.
Inazo lyrics.
Yuza.
Nah. Cause I feel like they kill it anyway. Also, like let's do a song and they ask you now.
Okay, which one do you know?
Nobody equalisayo.
Ed Sheeran.
America. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do Ed Sheeran.
Just bring a song. I'm ready. I found the love. Yeah, I've never been this late. What do you think Bankarele about?
Because it was foaming.
You milkshake there. Chef me, I'm a nice guy.
Which one is that and
I found a way.
Now in the city Nati. I think that's a good one. Yeah.
Shout out to my nigga Nati.
Uti my nigga akatalo apa.
Yeah.
Which one?
Which one do you know? Let's just keep it a buck.
Play it there.
Let's just keep it a buck, bro. Yo, tell them that yo, bro, like, you know what I'm saying?
I hate them. Yo, shorty.
Bro, you can't just say you hate. You
can't
can't just say you hate us, bro. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, you're gonna long music like, you can't just say you hate us, bro. Like, you know. It's
but funny kuicho.
Alright. I'm on the serious,
be boldly curious.
like, okay, ngabona sesibi idols benjalo. So I need seriousness. Ne? Yeah. It's Jeff Bezos in the building with Inkosi, you know, who's about to get down, bro. We're doing a cover song of Nati. I wanna pass time silale matuge. Ya tu pass time silale matuge. Yo. Hello. Talubas time silale matuge.
Endi wangu we.
Silale manje.
Wayituja kodwa.
Hayi ke yabona.
Wayituja wonke.
Yeah?
Hayi.
Because badala ichukets. I don't have the money. Tibizelenu nampula wa. Titani, speak to her, bro.
Literally.
You can't say about when they are two when they express their feelings. I feel like you love me. I see, understand the song.
But kaloku siba nguzincinci nawe kulove.
It happens.
Nide nilale phi?
It happens.
Nilale phi?
It happens.
Ngumntutsho.
Uthi balale phi?
Emadongeni utsho, is that what he's saying?
Kaloku ezilalini, Jeff Bezos.
Oh, nyanisile.
You know? Because ezilalini you can't do certain things because we're adults. You have to go and...
Nyanisile. I hear you. I hear you.
But he loved Jet.
But walifumana phi ixesha wayeliphara nje?
He wasn't a para. You know?
What was he?
A life in, you have to do mid ends.
So wayehustlisha?
For sure.
I hear
Shout out to
you.
my nigga Nati.
He was a hustler.
Shout out to my nigga
I
Nati.
hear you. Whatever you have to do.
And also, what Banjelweza was correct.
Mm.
Sometimes in life in, you have to go through certain things. Because
Yes, motivating him.
yeah. But he wasn't a par man Nati man. And I actually like him.
No, I really do like him as well. But I'm just like, dude, come on. About purely part of the city. You actually used to do it.
Zangayiphike nanje.
Wayesitsho kaloku bayamtyhola kuzathi makubize umamakhe azothini umamakhe azobethwa naye ngabahlali
Umamela interview yakhe no David Mashaba.
ungathi yila video eza video zakwalanga
Nyanga patrol.
yeah sicimele video sicimele camera apho tsayicina
Andiyazi neba mhlambi ndiphupha wrong, but one of my dreams long term goals is to appear with other videos.
ne
I feel like cool already.
ndiqhekezile kwabani wathini wabandoni sicime bhutam sicime
I feel like if the appearance but for all I am.
dabi pampers bhutam nantoni enye nevaseline neharmansis
Armanchis. Do
like
you go, how often do you go to the hood?
to the hood very often.
AB hood.
I go to Delft, I go to Kailicha. I go very often. She looks like Sayan Kawan Kuala Sale. Change ne. I get that.
But the one is back fans and I have a fan.
Naba?
Let me show you. I think each of these will agree.
Nah, no ways.
Serious. Look like her. Let me find the picture and think. Probably this one.
Oh, Amanda. No ways, guys. She's stunning.
Bye for Anna chat.
Kata got umdondina. I am pan.
Serious, man. Bon. This is
Jeff
you.
Faith. Jan Mo Faith. One Faith.
This is you, Jeff Bezos.
That is not me. That's not me.
I'm being honest. Hi. Oh, do you want to take
Q&A. I'll take questions.
Sunday?
Can I have your burger? Absolutely. Open up your airdrop. I'll airdrop it to you.
Sunday. Hot seat for Jeff Bezos. Right there.
Oh.
Take questions. Okay, I should be the one who's choosing questions.
I think so.
How many do you want to take?
I'll take 3.
Okay, she's taking 3.
Uzizi, Uzi's bugele ball.
Bugele ball is enjoy and be safe. Ish. I wish to be safe. And also before RIP to Junior King, man. Ish. We lost a talent there.
Yeah. Rest in peace.
RIP to Junior King. Aye, and this guns on Pasa Pezu.
Oh, OTD. Someone else for an OTD. Do I have to explain where they're from?
Ah, Jeff in the building.
Yo.
Shout out to Jeff one time.
Baggy jeans. So this is from Cotton On and then H&M. The slides are from Woolies. Literally.
Shout out to Jeff. I got him to Woolies. Nah, shout out to Jeff. I number yak. It's a nigga nonke one by one. Nimfonele. Ah. But I was phone as a
Yeah,
chat them both away. Sing Cholana
Look, body count, yes, just to check you out.
So chat, chat itchy, man, boy.
Very jiggy,
They
very
just
jiggy.
jiggy. Chat, we are just jiggy.
What star sign? Cancer. Jeff is a scam. Oh well.
Yeah, I can't call the band of a phone join eventually.
Ngachita ngora. That's a question for you.
I chat yeah, and cheating. Babu is bang cheating now.
Ngachite lamna. A big 10.
So as you understand it's an east side.
50 cents versus Diddy. What kind of question is that?
Take inbox here, no, I want him tell us if stream is like according on.
It's not that deep, guys.
But we think I don't want anything by the stream.
No, I was like, this is exciting. I've never had it before. It's exciting.
Shout out to Chef what time. Yeah, go to the now. Okay, they go to the now. Yeah. But behind us, Chef, have your questions. But we haven't had like questions, you know what? How can you let Chef? Cause can't hear them all.
These questions are just like they're weird. They're weird.
You can check them.
Okay, I'll take the bank balance one. Let me check it. And I'm gonna be honest. I'm broke. Take the bank balance one. Nah, I'm broke.
How much do you have?
I'm broke. Okay, Joe, let me show you something. So officially I use apps on my butt. Come on my card on my wallet.
It is a bag.
Good night, guys.
Hey, what the? Yeah?
Bunny celebrity crush him. I feel like this is niche now, but Reece James from Chelsea. Phew.
Damn.
Reece James. Who do you think won the battle between?
Nah, shout out to Jeff Bezos for real. What about you from now on?
Yeah, fully.
Yeah.
Fully.
Let's balance out the activities.
Dear Bazali.
Still.
So I use it when I can.
Yeah, kid.
No, I
I'm
don't.
from Major.
No.
For this reason.
Just for that reason.
Nah, but for by Damn. Nah, good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
We did 2 hours. But otherwise, shout out for coming through.
Thank you for having me. That was great. That was lovely.
She told me she didn't force away. Inkosi, we stepping on next.